21 years. My dad's been here even longer. They've had the house even longer. I mean, the windows are shattered. You can see the windows from the front being shattered, and it was so scary. In one night, everything was flipped upside down. It was pure chaos yesterday, so we're just waiting to get back in.
When the explosion happened, everybody tried to call everybody on Murray Road because everybody knows everybody, trying to make sure that everybody was safe. And eventually, thank God that everybody got out safely and little minor injuries. You know, my uncle, my friend's mom got burnt. She's doing okay. So it could have been a lot worse, but we're thankful that everybody's safe and that we're okay. That's the main thing.